This is a brand new 2013 Audi Q5. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a locking rear differential, a sunroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, leather seats, performance tires, a security system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.